Need a stage in a hurry? Midwest Folding's mobile stage is your answer. One person can easily transport and set up the mobile stage. Just lift the latch and lower the stage. The plunger will automatically go down, and the wheels will rise up so that movement is prevented when the stage is in use. Midwest Folding also offers accompanying steps in all levels to accommodate all heights of its mobile stage. The steps can be wheeled up to the stage, and a locking post that is attached to the steps can be easily raised to touch the back of the stage, and then held in place by tightening a set of screws. For aesthetics, you may choose to cover the front of the stage with skirting that is supplied by Midwest Folding in a variety of colors. The mobile stage features a factory-installed hook and loop fastener to make adding the skirting a breeze. For safety reasons, Midwest Folding recommends using a back rail on any of its stages. The back rail easily attaches to the frame of the stage. Integral drop-in couplings allow stages to be joined together, so that you can increase the length and width of your full stage. From compact storage to event location, mobile stages save setup time and increase facility flexibility. For more information on the mobile stage, please contact Midwest Folding Products today.